11th standard biobotany. So the chapter 7, cell cycle. So the cell cycle they occur in the every living organisms. The cell cycles occur in two important phases. One is called the interphase, next one is called the mitotic phase. What is the meaning of interphase? So the time duration between the two successive cell division is called an interphase. So the time duration between the two successive cell division is called an interphase. It is also called preparatory phase. It is also called the preparatory phase. So the interphase, so they occur in three important stages. So the interphase, they occur in three important phases, stages. One is called a G1 phase. G1 phase. The G1 phase is otherwise called a gap 1 phase. Then S phase. So it's also called a synthetic phase. Synthetic phase. So G2 phase. G2 phase. It means the gap 2 phase. So these are the important stages they occur in the interphase. So they have two successive cell division. This is called an interphase. It is also called a preparatory phase. What is the meaning of preparation? So they prepare for the next cell division. So it is called a preparatory phase. They occur in three stages. Gap 1, G1, gap 1 phase. S phase, synthetic phase. The G2 phase, they are having a gap 2 phase. What is the gap 1 phase? So in this stage, so they are ready for the preparation for the next cell division. Then S phase, they are having a synthetic phase. The synthetic phase means the replication of DNA molecule. They occur in this phase. So what is the meaning of replication? A single strand, a single nucleus, a single DNA molecule, they are converted into the two DNA molecule. So first they have the double strand DNA, is converted to single strand DNA. Then they become to replication of DNA. So they put two DNAs are formed during the cycle. Then gap 2 phases. So they have been well prepared for this mitotic cell division. Then what is the meaning of mitotic cell division? So the mitotic cell division means, so they have been a division of the cells. So mitotic cell division is also they occur in two phases. One is called the karyokinesis. Karyokinesis. So the karyokinesis means a division of nucleus is called karyokinesis. A division of a nucleus is called karyokinesis. Then cytokinesis. Cytokinesis. Cytokinesis means, so the division of a cytoplasm after the karyokinesis, so immediately the cytoplasm is divided into two. So this process is called cytokinesis. So the two phases plays the vital role in the cell cycle. So they have an alternate with each other. So this process is called a cell cycle. So the time duration for the cell cycle is, so they have a G1 phase. G1 phase, they spend for G1 phase, they spend for 11 in hours. Then S phase, they use for the 8 hours. G2 phase, they use it for the 4 hours. M phase or the mitotic phase, they occur in 1 hour. So the G1 phase, they spend nearly 11 hours. So the S phase, so synthetic phase, they spend at least 8 hours. G2 phase, so they spend for the 4 hours. Mitotic phase, they occur in a 1 hour. Then, so what are the cell division? Type of cell division. Type of cell division. Normally, there are 2 types of cell division. So they have in a 2 types. Some book they have in a 2 type of book cell division. One is called a direct cell division. So direct cell division. It means the single cells divide. They convert into 2 cells. So the mostly they occur in unicellular organisms. Mostly they occur in unicellular organisms. Example, amoeba. So the one amoeba, so during the cell division or during the reproduction, so the one cell is divided into 2 cells, is followed by the cytoplasm, is also divided, they produce in 2 cells. So the process is also called in a binary fission. Binary fission. So next one is called in a direct cell division. Direct cell division. It means that the direct cell divisions are occurring in 2 important phases. One is called the karyokinesis and they are having a cytokinesis. So based upon the origin of the cell division, so based upon the nature of the cell division, so the direct cell divisions are 2 types. One is called a mitosis cell division. Mitosis cell division. Next one is called a meiosis cell division. So what is the meaning of mitosis cell division? So the mitosis cell divisions are occur in mitosis. So the cell divisions are occur in body cell. So it is called a somatic cell. Somatic cell. Here the meiosis cell divisions, so they occur in the reproductive cells. So they are in reproductive cells. See, it means they are in germ cells. What are the happening occurring during the cell division? Here, so they are in a diploid cells. The 2 sets of chromosomes. So they present the parent as well as the daughter cells. So it is called a mitotic cell division. So the mostly they occur in a body cell. The nature of the chromosome is become the same number, a parent as well as the daughter cell. But in a meiosis cell division, so the parent cells are having a diploid cell division cell. After the meiosis cell division, so they converted into a haploid gamete. The diploid cell is converted into haploid cells. So this type of cell division is called a meiosis cell division. Meiosis cell division. So both are plays a vital role in the each and every living organisms. Then mitosis cell division. So they occur in a body cell. It is used for the growth of the living organisms and they have in a repair of the plant tissue or animal tissue. Also the development of the young one. So the meiosis cell divisions occur in a 2 important stages. Yes, mitosis cell division. Mitosis cell divisions occur in a 2 important phases. One is called a karyokinesis. So next one is called a cytokinesis. So the division of nucleus is called a karyokinesis. Division of cytoplasm is called a cytokinesis. But in a karyokinesis occur in 4 important stages. One is called a prophase. The second one is called the metaphase. Prophase, metaphase. Third one is called an anaphase. So fourth one is called a telophase. So the four important phases they occur in a division of nucleus. So the division of nucleus. So first one is called the prophase, then metaphase, anaphase, and the telophase. After the telophase, the cytoplasms are divided. The cytoplasms are divide. They produce two diploid cells are formed. So the parental cells as well as the daughter cell, they have an equal number of the chromosomes. So this is called the somatic cell division. Somatic cell division. So the one cell is divided mitotically. So they produce two cells are produced. But during the meiosis cell division, they produce one cells are divided, 4 haploid cells are formed. So the half of the number of the chromosomes is compared with the parent. Thank you very much, students.